Yeah, so as I say people, so big up on yourself. So, I don't know, so I forgot on the road. So, I don't know. So, Chilean Record, ladies and gentlemen, we're the #1 digital distribution, promotion, marketing company. Because, you know, different more time, you know, I have to go in the streets and deal with the entertainment part of it, but I don't know, I have to also deal with the marketing side. You understand? I left my water out of the door. Yeah. Can't go too far against left my water, like you know, say. Water now at the start of life. You understand? So, big up the people who just arrived. You understand? So, we're print up the thing right now from somewhere else. You understand, people? So, big up all my people from all over the world. So, big up Junior Cat, big up Super Cat. You understand? Big up all of the artists them. So, more of the artists them just come out and come give the family the support and the fullness. You understand? But you don't know, it's gonna be a because other normal thing are the legendary Super Cat father jump out to the people, Mr. Mirage, you know. You understand? Some of them call him, only for different name them give me. Because them are the legend. When they legend them give no. Yeah, one of my assistants call my people, so sorry about that. So, we're there and finish up the thing here. You understand? I don't know, gone too soon. Father Mirage people. Don't know. So, I just the other day I lost my grandfather and I lost my grandmother, so you understand? And lost my good friend Ryan Fowler, I don't know, one the British, you understand? Nipsey Hussle, you understand? So people that hear I'm not to lie. Look at that sad year for me, it's a great year still, because I don't know enough achievements, but also a sad year, so who said they could have the whole year happy? You understand? So big up the people from Germany. You understand? You got people from Salt Lake or watch a show. So big up yourself. Yeah, no, sir, you go on now. Remember, you know, I'm a blogger. You understand? And I'm also the owner of a company. You understand? Which deal with promotion, marketing, and all kind of things. So, I would billboard with the printing, will cover weddings, if you have a funeral, will cover it too. It's a company, you know, let's say like how Jay-Z have him at, and many, you have him Edson and many at, same way with L.A. Lewis. So, that makes a lot of people. So, I don't know, Chilean record boss already, so, and then different from that now, the family them call me and said, L.A., why you cover the thing for me? And from a superstar to a superstar, L.A. Lewis, they have come do it. But come remember, I don't cover normal things, you know, everybody know that, because you have to book L.A. Lewis or call L.A. Lewis. So remember I said, Chilean record of other people who work for us, so we could have at least send, because remember, our camera team are going to cover the funeral and everything, so, but you don't know the L.A. Lewis TV, which I host, the family also requested, said, L.A., you don't know, say, Mr. Mirage will rate you, Super Cat is a man to rate you, so, we don't want you just send a team who are you come cover the events too. You understand? So anybody out there, once they have them event and they want to come cover it, I will come cover it without a doubt. So big up Father Cat, Super Cat, and big up Junior Cat, and big up the whole of the Mirage family them. So people, this is gonna be large. People, the amount of people are flying down for this already, people are coming up from China, people are coming, the amount of Japanese they are the candlelight visual the other day. The amount of white people, so you will go on now, you see the 9 now people, and nothing normal. Trust me, it won't be nothing normal. So the 9 is tomorrow night, Friday night. You understand? So Friday night is the 9 people, so don't know, so see that, so where the printing feet, so, and anybody, if you guys want billboards, if you want posters, if you want button, so with the button to with the t-shirt for the lowest price, because you know, we get our paper them from the Chinese, but the high quality paper, high quality, it comes from the Chinese, ladies and gentlemen, but it's high quality papers. So, because paper, no matter where it comes from China, if it comes from Japan, if it comes from America, paper is paper. So, no found out about LA, I want the paper them good. Yeah, they come from China, but the paper them good. And the machine them come from England. See, these are European standard. Yeah, and anything come from England, from the Queen Place, it's a good machine. See there? Yeah. So, a good machine, people. Want to see them? They're good machines, so they name them? Yeah. It's a good machine them. So I don't want to talk about China, the machine them come from. The paper them come from China, ladies and gentlemen, because you know, as a businessman, I have to seek out where the paper them come cheap or for a good price. You know, I'm chilling there at boss, so okay, so cheap. So let me drop the thing. So China, big up on yourself. Yeah. And I ever China, and ever Chinese try to take over the place. Some of them just try to do business. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, so remember, just and go to our website www.trillionairrecord.com, and remember the 29th of June I'll be in Toronto, Canada. So look out for that show there. People that show they sell off. Yeah, so remember people, and just go on www.trillionairrecord.com and scroll down in the artist segment or tour segment for LA Lewis. When you go in the artist segment, you'll see every artist was signed on the Trillionaire record, and then you can press on the LA Lewis now. When you go on the LA Lewis now, you just go on tours and you see all of my upcoming shows them coming up. So it's www.trillionairerecord.com, and when you go on it, go on the artist segment, and if you want to distribute something, go on the distribute channel portal, and if you want to go publishing, you go on publishing. If you want to go to promotion or marketing, or you have the home page, yes, and or you want to register to Trillionaire Record, you can do your registration and your payment online. So ladies and gentlemen, Trillionaire Record, www.trillionairerecord.com, and look out for see us tomorrow at Super Cat Father 9 night, people. You know, so it's 9 night, but people Jamaica say 9 night, but it's really 9 night. It is because he died. Tomorrow is gonna make 9 weeks, 9 days since he died. Yes, and so people see that. Yeah, so we just print that, and we print a couple more things for 2 clients. So, ladies and gentlemen, we just show that look up because what people know say, Trillionaire Record, we're the #1. So, but remember, and for anything in the printing, promotion, marketing, just link with Savo.